Do you want a drone that comes with an 8K Ultra HD camera, a GPS system, and a 10 kilometers long range? So today we are going to do a detailed review of the Lenovo LU200Pro 8K GPS drone. Rocket this drone professional photography, can be a great choice for videography and adventure. Lenovo LU200Pro is a foldable and very lightweight drone, which makes it very easy to carry and use. Its brushless motor system is a big plus point in terms of performance and longevity. And best of all, it has obstacle avoidance sensors on the top and sides, which automatically avoids the drone from obstacles. This drone features an 8K Ultra HD camera, which records incredibly clear and stunning pictures and videos. Thanks to its triple camera system, you can take photos from different angles. This drone comes with a powerful 5000 mAh battery, which gives you around 40 minutes of flight time. While its 10 km remote control range is a great feature for any professional drone user, it comes with GPS and a return to home (RTH) feature, which means if the battery is low or the signal is lost, it will automatically return. 8K Ultra HD triple camera, GPS and obstacle avoidance sensors. 40 minutes of great battery life. 10 kilometers long control range. If you want a professional level drone that comes with high quality photography, video stabilization, and great flight features, then the Lenovo LU200Pro might be the best option for you. If you liked this video, be sure to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome gadget reviews.